doing my arms. Hello, it's me, Shinso.
Have we started again?
Yes.
Okay.
It's me, Shinso, your favourite toaster. And you got the kettle, Adam.
I shall be the kettle.
Pronouns, he, him. Wait.
I'll be the coffee machine.
Okay. Weight, we don't know. Height, 6 foot and something.
Just 6 foot, really.
Adam, Blake.
6.5 inches if you want to be fancy.
And you got me. I don't know what my height is. I prefer it. My only gender, it. Anyway, so I have this, and if you know what this is, then you're a real OG. Yay.
Let's play some sound bites.
So we gotta have sound bites. This is the stickers on the thing. I know, very weird. My mum brought them, and I know I didn't play for it for like 2 weeks just because of that fact. So let's just do this. Where are the speakers? Just to make sure that it's coming out. Hello? I'm guessing they're the speakers. Alright, let's just... First one. So we're going to react to these. We haven't reacted to these for at least 2 years.
Well, that one was 9th of the 10th, 2013, so I'll say 8 years.
Yeah. But I haven't heard these for a very, very long time. Come on.
It's frozen, it's broken. Thanks, let's delete that one.
No, I'm not deleting any of these. These are family tropes. Wait, stop making Bilbo lick your tootsies.
It was him that started it.
That's foot fetish. That was scary. Okay. These are gonna be scary. Let's just... I remember that one. I remember that one so clearly. Like it was like that mum had the cat like on her like that. She was laying back and the cat was on her. And then mum was going, "No, Squidgy!" And I was there like, because I was just messing about with this, and mum was like, "Stop recording." I think this is the next one where she says, "Shut up and stop recording."
Questions. One question.
Sounds like you sneezed your whole nose off.
Questions. First question. Have you seen that that Russian guy sneezing and he like falls backwards?
No.
Oh, it's great.
Sounds great.
Can this be our new ringtone? This is a beat. That's it. Oh.
That's also awful. All of these are going to be awful.
Yeah, no. Most of them.
The stylus.
Yo, these were always bit because I used to bite the tips. Not in the sexual way. I look at Adam like... Next.
I'm happy to be with the dog.
Council cat.
He said a million fucking things in your phone. He said a million things.
Yeah.
Oh, let me think. I can't talk.
2015.
Let me think. Cat can't talk. Wow. Some of these are like really old. Next.
Next.
Oh, talk. Adam, it's a go. It's a go.
I
I was
don't.
expecting me to respond to that.
I
Is
think.
this going on YouTube?
Yeah. I think there is.
So they know you've got COVID.
Yes.
So stop touching me.
I'm
You've touched me once already.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
I really shouldn't be next to you.
Adam, you're in the same household.
You still.
Anyway, I've only got 2 more days in quarantine. It's all good.
Doesn't matter.
Or 1 day.
I've got the dog.
Can you stop stroking the fat bitch?
No.
I'm joking. Right, you ready? Adam can't hit me anymore, which is nice.
I've got 2 days until I can slap you.
Can you guys, like, save me? Anyway, next.
It's Moon George.
Moon George! Oh my god! Moon George, you don't even know about Moon George, do you?
No.
Me and Alex, we found a tub of stickers, and George was, like, in a space costume. Like, you know Peppa Pig? You know Peppa Pig?
Why would George go to space?
I don't know, but me and Alex thought it was the funniest thing in the
Moon
world.
George.
Moon George! So he like stuck a bunch of plasters everywhere of just Moon George. There's still one in my room somewhere. Just a plaster stuck on my wall with Moon George on it. So in conclusion, we love Moon George. Anyway, next.
Oh.
When did I become Beyonce?
It's not even Beyonce, I don't think.
It's me singing.
Well, yeah, I know it's you singing. I'm not expecting Beyonce. Oh yeah, that time when Beyonce visited. That one time Beyonce came by to use our toilet and I sing.
Oh my god. Next.
Crikey.
Next.
You're paying me for this,
Stop
aren't you?
yawning. Oh, you didn't do your teeth last night before we went to bed, did you? I did. Okay, don't lie.
Today, don't lie.
Only Shinsa still lies.
I don't lie as much now, but he thinks I do. He thinks, right, you know fake eyelashes? Right, they are called cumbrellas.
You still haven't proved that to me.
I'll show you after this. They are called cumbrellas. Do you know why? Because when man came on the face, it wouldn't get in their eyes. This is not PG-13.
Well done, you've just demonetised the whole video.
Woo! I don't get many anyway. Next.
Boy.
It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. There you go, there you go, there you go. There's Adam Bucket.
Okay,
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I didn't.
2015.
Mad. And you heard Adam Burr. He does that a lot. And I hate it.
I thought it'd be a great addition and it worked.
And it worked. This was. Hold on.
No.
Don't burp. Oh, you did.
I don't know why I told you not to burp. Also, you used to sound a lot cuter. And you used to be a lot nicer.
Listen. Things change.
If you caught COVID at that age, you wouldn't touch me.
If I called COVID, I would be hooking you because I'm scared. I was so scared as a kid. We filmed half of these. I just remembered we filmed a lot of these in Denny's in America.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I'm beyond diner noises.
some diner noises.
Denny's is great.
Oh, Denny's.
I fancy a Denny's burger.
We're not in America. We live in the UK.
You can have burgers in the UK.
Yeah, but not Denny's. But not Denny burgers.
You weapon. What was that cough at the start? Say that again. Sounds like you've either entered our dimension or leaving our dimension.
I like that. It's a good noise.
These are terrible.
Just reinvent the noise.
Someone in the kitchen, don't know who it is. Probably Fat Adam. Oh, yeah. So
Excuse me?
Listen, I'm fat now, it's okay.
I didn't know you was calling me Fat Adam all the way back in 2015. I mean, I was fat, but you didn't call me Fat Adam. You don't even call me Fat Adam anymore.
I don't, because I'm just...
Where's the love gone?
Remember when you used to call me... No, I used to call you Log, and you used to call me Twig.
Yeah, because you're skinny.
I'm not anymore, obviously.
You are still skinny.
I'm a bit chubby, but I like being
You
chubby.
should put some trousers on. Anyway, next one. I've just remonetized your video, you're welcome.
I wish I was dead.
was a moose, and he drank a lot of juice. His name was Fred, and he drank it in bed.
I just said straight up in the button code. Like it's a big fact. I feel this kind of
No, that was a campfire song, and I just remember singing it. I was like, there was a moose, and he drank a lot of juice. His name was Fred, and he drank it in bed, singing way oh, singing way. And then it's like a call and repeat song. We used to sing it at PGL. I was called LGBT. I was like, wasn't a gay campsite. I mean, it kind of was.
Not
What are these? Not just that. These. 2018.
2018.
September 2018. We was in California.
Probably in the car then, innit?
I think. Yeah. How did we skip 3 years?
I don't know.
It is currently 2020. The coronavirus is going mad. Help us, please. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.
I didn't even plan that.
I'm guessing that's the last one.
Yeah, I didn't even plan that. That is mad. Because these aren't in chronological order, I don't
You
think.
should put this in a time capsule.
I actually
Charge-
have like a
please-
really bulky one over
Please
there.
charge the battery before you put it in there.
Right, I'm gonna record one. Should I record one?
No.
I am. It is currently 2021. I have coronavirus. Adam is currently dying.
No,
Yeah.
I'm fine.
I have depression.
I'm fine as well.
It's all fun.
It is currently 2021.
Let's do my
I have
favourite colour.
coronavirus. Adam is currently dying.
What's listening to that? We've got a recording and a recording, folks.
It is currently 2021. I have coronavirus. Adam is currently dying.
I'm fine.
I have depression.
I'm fine as well.
It's all fun. It is currently 2021.
Well, if we put this in a time capsule, we'll definitely die. That's like, because I know you can mess around with the settings a bit, so
Yes.
Cancel cat.
let's do that one, because that one's the
You
funniest.
said a million fucking things in your...
Okay, so we can mess around.
The last thing Mum expected waking up today was hearing her swear over YouTube.
There was just like these kind of things.
Do you remember, what was that one video he's filming in Mum's room and then she just walks in and swears? But she didn't know you was recording, and when we put the filter on it, she
Yeah,
was crying with laughter.
it was
Do you still have that?
no, I don't know.
What
It's
is
on
it?
Facebook, I think.
Ah, okay. You have to go check,
Yeah, but there was this one thing where I was singing.
or I'll check.
I was like, oh, I know, I can't remember the song now. It was like, ain't nothing but a heartache, and then Mum walked in and go, fucking hell.
I don't think she knew you was filming, but the way when we put a filter on it, it was really hard to.
Because she was like, fucking hell. I
I'm
just felt
gonna,
like,
I'm gonna go on your Facebook and look for it.
okay.
Not
So
bad.
while he's doing that, I'm going to end the video here.
Bye, guys.
Girl, we just committed death. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do the thumbs up, because I need a thumbs up. And if you want me to do my 3DS, which is newer, then obviously I will do that, because these were fun. Because I haven't had them in a while, and these are funny as fuck. And I bet I have more funny ones in my 3DS. And also, if you want me to play Pokemon Sun and Moon, because I did ask my older brother for it back, my game thing, you know, I will play that. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye, bitches.